Anakeesta is one of the 3 aerial adventures you can discover in Gatlinburg. The other 2 being Ober Gatlinburg Ski and Tube Resort, which you can see in one of our other videos, and the Gatlinburg Skylift, which is the longest pedestrian suspension bridge in North America, and of course Anakeesta is where we're going to venture today. The entrance to your Anakeesta adventure begins right across the street from the Gatlinburg Aquarium. Now, parking is conveniently located behind the aquarium at a municipal garage, or there is limited parking next to Anakeesta itself. Your Anakeesta adventure begins soon after purchasing your tickets to the 70-acre Firefly Village, located far above your heads. There are 3 ways to get up to Anakeesta's Firefly Village, which is a chairlift, which is an open-air side-by-side 4-person chairlift, a gondola ride, which is a cabin which enclosed can seat 6, or you can take one of the Ridge Rambler adventure trucks to the top. Mary and I decided to take the chairlift, which again is a 4-person side-by-side chair, up to the top and Anakeesta to see their Play in the Trees adventure. When we arrived to Ferry Crossing at the top, I was quickly attracted to the open fireplace and its nice rocking chairs by its sides. They gave Mary an opportunity to visit several of the shops along the way. One of Anakeesta's adventure is the Mountain Coaster, which is a single-rail mountain coaster. Travels 1,600 feet with speeds up to 25 miles per hour with an elevation drop of 400 feet. For those adventurers needing to replenish their energy, Anakeesta has several outdoor restaurants and several trailers which are converted into open-air snack bars. My favorite you see in front of you is an Airstream. Well, maybe because it probably was converted into a Yeehaw beer bar. In fact, I liked it enough I was trying to figure a way to pull it behind my 5th wheel on our next adventure. Several years ago, Gatlinburg was devastated by a fire which destroyed hundreds of buildings and killed quite a few people. Anakeesta was just being developed at that particular time and only had their underground utilities in place, so outside of losing a few trees, they basically came out unscathed. At the summit of Anakeesta, there's a beautiful area called Vista Gardens, which is a series of walkways and paths overlooking the surrounding countryside of the Smokies themselves, and of course, some of our favorite vegetation like hollies. Being a koala, we had to allow Katie some tree playing time. Mary and I couldn't pass up the chance of taking photos with the beloved Willow. Mary and I could not pass up an opportunity to sit on one of the many swinging chairs overlooking the spectacular view of the surrounding Smoky Mountains. No matter how many times we've seen the Smokies, we're always impressed by the smokiness of the mountains. And again, we took this as an opportunity to do, I think, is our first selfie. We were greeted with this sign upon entering the Treetop Skywalk and kind of appreciated the fact that you were basically going to be responsible for your own actions. Anakeesta's Treetop Skywalk is the longest tree-based bridge in North America, with 16 connecting sky bridges suspended over 50 feet above the ground below. Each of the sky bridges are connected by observation platforms, which allows ample time for older leaf peepers like Mary and I to step aside and let the younger, energetic youths ramble on. This 800-foot adventure is fun for all. For an extra charge, those adventurers that are not faint at heart can try out Anakeesta's side-by-side dueling zip lines. You can see this courageous youth waiting for another zipliner before showing his courage and jumping off the platform and speeding into the depths below. Mary and my adventure at Anakeesta for the day is over. Since we rode the chairlift up to the top of Anakeesta, we decided to try their chondola ride, which is their cabin seating 5 or 6, back down the hill. Mary couldn't pass up the opportunity to take some visual photos of the area of over Gatlinburg on the way down.
We have a couple of shout-outs this week. If you have a YouTube channel, I highly recommend you check out Tree Trimmer 82 and Island Life Fishing. They both do a lot to support the YouTube community. If you want to know more about the RV lifestyle, or you have a YouTube channel, Blue Wave Odyssey is a full-time RV couple who not only share their travel adventure, but run really great live chats. So please stop by their channel and let them know Outdoor Staycations sent you.
This is Mary and Jerry from Outdoor Staycations, and I'd like to thank Toonstead Cartoon for their interpretation of our latest selfie. Remember to ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, safe journeys wherever the road may take you.